In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make awesome maps in Google Slides. Creating engaging and informative slideshows in Google Slides is a key skill, and integrating maps can be a fantastic way to enrich your presentations. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to make your way over to Google Slides. If you're already familiar with it, you know it's a straightforward web-based app that's part of Google's suite of Office tools. Accessible anywhere you have internet, it's perfect for creating professional presentations. Bring up your favorite browser and head to Google Slides. If you've yet to sign in, make sure you do that with your Google account. It's crucial to sign in because you're going to want to save and access your work easily at any time. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the Google Slides homepage. This is where you'll see all your previous presentations if you have any. To start fresh, you'll need to create a new presentation. You can either click on blank presentation to craft something from the ground up, or if you're looking to speed up the process and add a bit of flair right away, select from a variety of pre-designed templates. These templates can save you time and provide a polished look right out of the gate. With your presentation canvas open, let's focus on adding those captivating maps. Navigate to the top menu and click on Insert. This menu is where you find various options for adding elements to your slides, such as images, videos, or shapes. In this step, you're going to click on Image. Google Slides makes it incredibly easy to incorporate images, either from your device, Google Drive, or off the web. Next, click on Search the Web. This opens a convenient side panel where you can look up images without even leaving slides. In the search bar that appears, go ahead and type in maps. You might have a specific region or type of map in mind, so feel free to refine your search terms to get more precise results. Once you find an image that suits your needs, just click to insert it into your slide. At this point, you can resize and reposition the map to fit perfectly into your presentation's layout. Adjusting the size is as simple as dragging the corners while holding down the Shift key to maintain the aspect ratio. Now you've got a map in your Google slide. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to add compelling maps to your presentations in Google Slides. With these skills, you're well on your way to creating more visually enriching and informative presentations. Happy creating, and until next time, keep exploring new ways to elevate your presentations.